What up? This some bullshit. Oh, I'm sorry. That ain't how I'm supposed to start this off. What up? What's the word, YouTube? What's the dilly-illy? Sitting here, man. Stuck out a fucking train. Stuck out some railroad track. I've been sitting here for like 10 minutes. Try to use my GPS to go around this shit, but I don't want to tear down no viaducts and no goddamn tree limbs today, so I guess I'm just gonna sit here. I made one drop about a half an hour early. I'm surprised somebody was there. Kind of grateful, really, because I'm ready to go home. I guess y'all say I'm always ready to go home, huh? Yeah, man. So I'm 7 miles away from this drop here. Let me show y'all what I'm fucking with right quick. Oh, damn, I took a picture. I can't even turn my camera around. Oh, well. Yeah, man. I'm just sitting here, man. Hungry. Waiting on this damn train to pass, man. What's the word? One man cold world in the building, baby. You see it. Young nigga nothing. You see it. Young nigga nothing. Yeah, man. After that drop, I got 2 drops left. One going to Summit, Argo, and one going to Willow Springs. They ain't too far apart, a couple miles. Knock that shit out. Get on to the crib. I gotta do a day run in the morning. I don't know where it's going. He sent me the route number since I ain't got nothing but time on my hands. See if I can find it in my handy dandy notebook. I tell you, man, I write every load down. Everything I do, I write down just in case. I gotta tune dude little ass up in civil court. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it if I had to. If I show up to work every day on time and shit, for the most part, get these routes out the way, there's no reason that you should, there's no reason that we should have any issues with my money. Just pay me, dog. But I talked to my mans earlier today. He told me if this shit don't go as planned, to call him, he'll put me in another truck under the Class B Act. I'll be doing the same thing, just delivering liquor. So I told him I definitely keep that in mind. I don't want to bounce around, but just pay me what you owe me, dog. I always thought about this situation here. Sitting at a fucking railroad stop and can't get around it. See, if I was at home, I would have got around this shit already. I don't want to go joyriding this 13.6, but straight up. I swear I done this route already. Go home and look at my trip sheets at the crib. Youngins, y'all better have did y'all own work today too. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all watching. Even though I can't log into the computer and see how y'all doing. And yeah, man, ain't up to nothing, man. Just sitting here at this damn train tracks waiting for this dumbass train to go by. It's to stop completely, so you know that's never a good thing. I swear this route I'm supposed to do is gonna be like Tinley Park or something. Yeah, I can't find it. Oh, damn it, boy. I found it. Going to the city. God damn it. I remember that. I knew I wrote that shit down somewhere, dog. Alright, I gotta do something, man, because I'm wasting time sitting here. This shit getting here out of control, man. Fuck. I don't know what to do, dog. Alright, man. I just wanted to check in with y'all. Let y'all know what was going on. Sitting here posted on the block like a fat rat, I guess. This motherfucker need to come on. Alright, in a minute. Yeah, I'm back. Just had to turn the camera around since it wouldn't let me flip it. But what's the word, man? What time? Oh, look at this goofy mod. Look at this goofy mod. Alright, tell my truck up. Just tell my truck up. Fuck it. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem with these railroad tracks. I don't know if this motherfucker broke. I don't know what the word is, but if Swift move, I'm following his ass. Cause you know Swift know where he going, dog. You know he know where he going. Shit. Yeah, man. Hey, you know what? I changed my mind. I'm finna bust a U-turn, man. So I'm not finna sit here. Even if I gotta go get back on the damn highway for a minute. Because this shit here is ridiculous. One man Cold World signing out, man. I'll let y'all know how this turned out in a minute. What up? Man, I couldn't sit there no longer, dog. I had to safely backed up, did my 4-way zone. Waited for a good time and turned around. Turned around, drove I think like 5 miles out the way. Hopped back on 171. Shot down the street. Now they telling me I'm a mile away from my drop. So I beat the big truck here because I swear he was sitting next to me before I turned around. I was gonna load this shit, keep it going. I think I got 2 pallets, 2 full pallets and 6 pieces. I gotta deliver here, so like I said, I'm gonna get this shit off my truck, get out the way. Get out the way, dog. I ain't never been up here though. It's a pretty nice area. It's up here by Brookfield Zoo. Pretty nice ass area, man. Hey, shout out to them Saints. We got to beat up on them Jets this week. Cover that over 17-point spread. Welcome. Tell them one man said that. Well, got around that damn railroad track. Made it to the second location. Dropped off them pieces, them pallets. Shoot over here to this location. Ain't nobody here. Oh man, ain't nobody here. What the but nah. is going on right here. 45 minutes early. Ain't nobody here. I don't know my dispatch number for the night to see if they really gonna open at 6 or they just on some G shit. So I'm gonna sit here to 6 o'clock. Hopefully they come before that. But if not, what can you do? What can you do, man? Oh yeah, I forgot what I was saying the last time my phone just started recording. I had too much stuff on there, I think. Shout out to them Saints. Who that? Who that nation? Patriots killer. Shout out to PH. Patriots killer. Patriots some bums. Straight like that. How y'all lose to Miami, dog? Come on, man. But I got my money on y'all for them Steelers tonight, dog. Well, actually, it's in 2 days, but shout out to the Patriots. Oh, man. I need to take a nap out. Actually, shit, I got some good sleep today before I came in. Damn, the bus almost passed dude up. That dude was rolling. I got a lot of traffic, man. It's gonna be a fight going home, boy. I hate when I get the route, man. I get caught up in this morning traffic. All you motherfuckers going to work. I hate that part. That way. I hate that part, man. Yeah, but I'm just on here bullshitting, man. Come and check in with y'all. Trying to kill a little time, man. Hopefully this post office person show up, man, within the next few minutes. I think I only got a piece or a pallet. It's something small on here. Oh my God, I got one pallet on this. I'd have dropped this bitch at the fence and pull out. I will not have a job later. Yeah, man, but that's it for me on this, man. I'm gonna drop this off whenever they pull up. I got one more stop, Willow Springs, Illinois, I think. Drop that off and go to the crib for a few hours. Get up early so I can get to the warehouse early. Get loaded early so I can get to Chicago early. Cause I do not want to be in Chicago when traffic, when everybody getting off work, man. I do not want to do that tomorrow, bro. Friday too, no. Well, actually today is Friday. I do not want to do that, bro. So I'm gonna get up, get this shit out the way, and get to Chicago, get back. Just got off the phone with my boss, told him I need my check, man. I can't wait till Saturday morning when I come in. Told him my rent due today. If I pay it Saturday, it's $100 fee, and I ain't going. My rent due today? Yes, it is. Do I have the money? Yes, I do. But it's the principle. I want my goddamn check, fam. Today Friday, so I should have my check Friday. He did this shit last week. That's why I went and opened up my direct deposit. I gotta go through this shit, man. Buddy be on some slick shit. But like I say, it's just gonna push me faster and faster to go and get my CDL. What's today? Friday. By this time next week, I have my permit. So I'm gonna use the weekend and a little off time I got to go over my permit again. I use CDL prep. I hate the CDL book. It sucked to me. I'm more of a hands-on motherfucker. So that book was kind of like throwing me off. So I downloaded CDL prep. CDL prep. I believe the person that made it is Jeffrey Diaz or something like that. Has a big black steering wheel. Download that. It's word for word. The test is where it's gonna be word for word like the test at the DMV. So like I said, I passed that motherfucker with flying colors. First time I took my permit, I failed it twice the same day. Waited a day or two, I think, came back, passed that motherfucker with flying colors, man. So I'm gonna go get my regular CDL permit. I'm gonna get my doubles and double and triples endorsement, and I'm gonna go in and take my hazmat since the Fed sent my paperwork back this time last year to get it. So go and knock that shit out the way. All right, we at 6 minutes. One Man Cold World YouTube. Y'all stay safe out there. I'm out. Well, y'all wanna know what pissed me off? This lady late as hell. I'm on time. Lady me would have been late. She would have been pissed. But she just walking around all nonchalant and shit like her day just started. Just get your ass up here and open this motherfucking gate so I can drop this one fucking pallet off. I swear, man, truckers don't get no respect, man. No respect. She late. She taking her candy fucking sweet ass time to open the goddamn gate. Get this shit off my truck, man. But it's a little after 6 o'clock. I back up to this dock, get this shit off my truck. You go find some breakfast or something. Make one more stop. I'm going to the crib in a minute. Alright, that didn't take too long. Guess what? I just realized I got a pallet on here from the first fucking stop, dog. I got a pallet on here from the first stop, so I gotta go back to Brookfield. But before I do that, I'm gonna take this to Willow Springs. I'll get back in touch with y'all in a minute. I done made it to the last location. I was like 10 minutes away from where the evil lady wanted to walk all slow and shit. I'm 8 miles away from the very first drop. I gotta go back and drop this damn pallet off. I can't believe I did that shit. And I was just talking about that in the video I did going to New Lenox. And I did it my damn self. So that's probably gonna be it for this little trip. Just come in to check in with y'all. Get to this location and I couldn't find it. I'm looking for a loading dock. And it's in between two fucking buildings. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see the U.S. postal truck? As soon as I figure out where it was, his ass pulled up. So I could have been dropped this off and left, but I didn't know exactly where I was going, and his ass snuck up in there in me. Snuck up in the dock on me. So I dropped the lift gate. I was gonna lift gate that shit over there, but I ain't got enough room to get in between them. There's no way to get the pallet up on the sidewalk. I can take this motherfucker off with no problem. It's just getting it in there. I wish this motherfucker would hurry up, honestly. But day in the life of a box truck driver, man. I'm out this bitch. I'll holler at y'all probably tomorrow when I go to Chicago, man. See if I can get a little bit of that on footage. But stay safe, man. Keep them haters out your circle, man. And just focus on doing something better. One Man Cold World, I'm out.
Turn right on US 34 East Ogden Avenue. 1.4 miles ahead, turn left on Prairie Avenue. $350 feet to 3731 Prairie Avenue on the right. Approaching 3731 Prairie Avenue on the right.
I wish I could have seen that car just try to come on the inside. That was crazy. That was crazy. Look at this shit I gotta go through, man. I felt like, nigga, I thought your ass said you only had.
My bad, folks.
Players fuck up. Gangsters fuck up. Shit off my tree nuts. Alright, do sound.